Tired of dragging ladders around or wrestling with tangled extension cords just to trim a few tree branches? What if you could prune high limbs without breaking a sweat or your back? That is exactly what the best cordless pole pruners offer. These battery-powered tools are compact, powerful, and reach places ladders fear to tread. We have narrowed down the top 5 cordless pole pruners that combine ease, performance, and reliability. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 5. Jevy Life 2 in One Cordless Pole Saw. Jevy Life may be a newer name in the tool market, but their 2-in-1 cordless pole saw is earning praise fast, and for good reason. This tool combines a handheld chainsaw with an extendable pole, allowing you to handle both ground level and overhead trimming without switching equipment. Its reach extends up to 15 feet, giving you access to taller branches while staying safely grounded. A key feature is the 180-degree adjustable cutting angle, which brings a new level of flexibility to precision trimming. Whether you are working with tight angles or awkward branches, this saw lets you adapt the cutting direction with ease. Number 4. Worx 2-in-1 Cordless 6-inch Pole Saw. Worx delivers an impressive balance of innovation and ease with its 2-in-1 cordless pole saw and mini chainsaw combo. If you are searching for a compact tool that packs a serious punch without being overwhelming, this one deserves a spot on your shortlist. The most impressive upgrade here is the second-generation brushless motor, which provides not only higher power but also a longer lifespan and lower energy consumption. Its extension pole offers a reach of up to 14.2 feet, making it well-suited for most residential pruning tasks. The 6-inch chain cuts cleanly through branches while maintaining a lightweight body at just over 7 pounds. This helps minimize user fatigue and enhances control when working overhead or in tight spots. A standout feature is the built-in lubrication system that keeps the chain operating smoothly at all times. Tool-free installation and a smart automatic chain tensioner make this saw very easy to set up and use. It is ideal for users who want convenience without the hassle of constant manual adjustments. Add in a strong 3 ampere-hour battery and this tool provides ample runtime for standard yard work sessions. Number 3. CZI 2-in-1 Cordless 8-inch Pole Saw. The CZI PS800 brings a unique level of versatility to the table with its clever 2-in-1 design. It functions both as a handheld mini chainsaw and as a full extension pole saw, offering the best of both worlds in a single device. This feature alone makes it a great value for homeowners who want a flexible solution without purchasing 2 separate tools. Its extension pole adjusts to give you a reach of up to 16 feet, enabling you to tackle those hard-to-reach limbs confidently. With an 8-inch chain and a cutting speed of over 26 feet per second, it delivers efficient performance even on thicker branches. The inclusion of 2 21-volt batteries, each with a 4,000 mAh capacity, ensures extended work time and minimal downtime. But where this model really shines is in safety and convenience. It comes with 8 integrated safety features including a security lock, anti-slip handle, reinforced pole, safety baffles, and even protective gear like gloves and goggles. Number 2. Craftsman V20 Pole Saw. The Craftsman V20 Pole Saw is a solid, high-performing choice that offers impressive cutting power and extended reach without complications. Designed for easy handling, this model is perfect for homeowners who want professional results without a steep learning curve. Its 14-foot extended reach lets you trim high branches while keeping your feet safely on the ground. What really makes this model stand out is its angled head and blade. This design allows for far better visibility and cutting accuracy, especially when working with oddly positioned branches. Number 1. Worx WG323 20-volt power share cordless pole saw. If you are looking for a combination of lightweight power, smart design, and sheer convenience, the Worx WG323 stands tall as the top choice. This tool offers the kind of functionality and user-friendliness that makes tree trimming less of a chore and more of a simple task. It comes with a 10-inch chain that delivers crisp, clean cuts and can easily handle branches that other pruners struggle with. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.